Getting hooked on engineering. Project Lead the Way students at May River High School designed and built 3D printed plant hooks. Each prototype is engineered to withstand 50 pounds of pressure while ensuring displacement remains under 0.2 inches.
What I did is I added arcs at the bottom and the top to hold the top beam, and I made it wider so it could support more.
My design, I decided I wanted to support the top beam more, and so I added more little beams towards the bottom.
During the design process, students conducted functional analysis to make sure their plant hooks met all specifications and requirements.
We used something called Inventor, and basically we had to use these big computers to sketch out our redesigned plant hook, and then we went to another website to finalize it and to 3D print it.
I drew it all on Onshape, which I thought was pretty easy to use, and I easily imported it onto the Inventor app, which allowed me to run the simulation tests on it to see how much it would deform if the 50-pound plant was put on it.
The class is also working on designing and printing 3D automobile rims.
The students would get an actual, what we'd call a cross-sectional area. They would do a spline command on it, and when they got that cross-sectional area designed, they would revolve it. Everybody gets the standard base design, and then they have to create their design on top of that, print their 3D printed rim, and then display that and be able to do an explanation or a presentation about why they chose their design, the vehicle that they were going to choose, and the wheel pattern that they were designing for.
The students will be displaying their rims soon.
I kind of did it in a way that looked cool but was also efficient, and so the design is not that heavy, and it's very thin and not as much weight on the car.
These design challenges are helping the students develop valuable problem-solving skills.
This was an amazing project because it helped me figure out about new technology and how to 3D print stuff. So in the future, if I want to do it, I'll already know how to do it.
All the 3D printed plant hooks and designs are on display in the hallway outside the engineering classroom. Students and teachers are being asked to vote for their favorite design. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.